So you found a franchise, and now the question becomes, how am I going to pay for this thing? Let's talk about financing. Some of the most common sources of financing are one, cash on hand. You just simply have the cash on hand. Two, SBA financing, bank financing. And then let's talk about a couple other alternative resources of financing. So cash on hand. If it is a very affordable franchise, or maybe you're just flush on cash, you can just scratch a check for the business and you're done. You don't have to worry about financing. But maybe you do need financing and you do need to borrow money, and you're going to talk to some financing companies. So you're going to talk to some banks, you're going to talk to some other franchise companies or financing companies that specialize in franchising that we can give you the contacts for, and they're going to help assess you and your financial capabilities. In other words, kind of getting pre-qualified like you do for a home loan. And so they're going to look at your personal assets, your cash flow, credit score, and they're going to determine how much money a bank can possibly loan you to purchase a franchise. Of course, it's also going to require some money down. And typically these financing and these banks are going to require about somewhere between 20-30% of the total cost of the business be your cash, and they'll do the financing for the remaining portion. They'll definitely want to go into some more details with you to help you learn more about that. There's also home equity lines of credit, maybe a portfolio line of credit, and you can use those sources for financing a business. But one of the alternative ways of financing a business is what we call ROBS, or Rollover for Business Startup. This is where you use your 401k, IRA, which is sometimes one of the bigger assets that people have, and you're able to tap into those resources to fund your business. In other words, you become your own bank, and you're able to do that without early withdrawal fees and without penalties. So it's a great option to also fund your business. Doesn't mean you have to. All I want you to know is that it is an option. And the financing companies that we work with will help you get this all done. So learn your options for financing, become your own expert, and then determine what's going to be best for you. If you want to learn more about financing, give me a call. My name is Blair Nickel with FranNet, and you can use this QR code on this slide to get directly in contact with me, or just book some time right onto my calendar. I look forward to chatting with you.